what is it like for you when commuting in Taft during the rainy season?
Mahirap. Kasi ang muddy dito, tapos ang dumi nung sidewalk. Tapos, ang dami pang puddles. And natatakot ako na baka may dumaan na car, tapos matapunan ako ng tubig.
Oh, it's hard kasi usually nga angkas ako. So, pagdating ka dito, medyo basa na ako. So, usually pag umuulan, I take the LRT na.
To be honest, it's really hard kasi kapag umuulan, parang nagiging rush hour siya na ang daming kasabayang commuters, ganyan. So, ang hirap sumakay.
It was really a hassle for me kasi I had to change my clothes when I get here from school and like if I got here late, sobrang hassle talaga.
When it's rainy, it's really hard to commute kasi the roads are wet and iba talaga kasi pag naka-car ka, you're not affected by anything almost.
Actually, it feels very dirty, especially when you wear white shoes or you wear slippers. Kasi mababasa talaga yung paa mo. And you can see na it's gray water, it's really dark. And aside from that, lumalabas talaga, nakikita mo yung rat infestation in Taft. And then if you'll ride the bus or if you'll ride the jeep, punuan siya. So it's very tiring, it's very draining. So after mo mag-commute and pauwi ka na, sobrang pagod ka na talaga. Ramdam mo na yung dumi ng Taft, dumikit na sa'yo.
Commuting in the rainy season is very tough, especially when there's floods, and it kind of doubles the travel time actually.